Hello guys, back again with me, Ray Photography 27, and as you can see in here, I've got the garage diorama for my 1/8 scale model, and it feels so empty. That's why I want you to join me today and fulfill the garage with my new TSM model beta toolkit for 1/8 scale. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so let's moving on. This is the beta toolkit. As you can see here, this is from TSM Model scale miniature for 1/8 scale. Okay, like this one. Then you can see in here, this is describing what we've got on the package. We've got the new theme trolley, which is, I believe, this one. Okay, the trolley, I'm not sure what it is. Portable car starter 12 volt, should be this one. Inverter welding machine, maybe this one or maybe this one, not sure. Metal oil pressure can, and jack stand. We got 4 jack stand in here, as you can see. The jack, which is this one. Cargo evolution tool cabinet, I guess this one or this one. Alright, mobile roller cap with 7 drawers, I believe this one. Alright guys, as you can see in here, this is the collector models, not suitable for children under 14 years, and this is also licensed, so it should be good because it's licensed. And this is from True Scale Miniature, made in China, TSM Model. Alright guys, let's open it up.
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Strong, strong, we're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, they run on trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
Alright guys, as you already seen here, I already put randomly the items that we got from the package of the toolkit from the TSM. As we already know, from the back of the package, we got the jack stand, which is fixed position. I'm not sure if we can, it seems like it's movable, but I'm not sure. But this is so tiny, but this is really cool and nice detail. The material, it seems like this is the metal, I'm not mistaken, this is metal, and this is the plastic. Alright, we got 4 of the jack stand, and then this one, the trolley, it can be spin. This one can be spin like this one, maybe to carry on something like the jack itself, perhaps, which is nice. The material is the plastic. So the next one is the jack stand. Look at this, this is like, we can just put it there and then it came up like that. Alright, pretty cool. And the material also the plastic. And then the cabinet, actually this is a metal. This is metal, this is not the plastic one, this is the metal. Okay, nothing can be plain here. This is just the solid metal, and as you can see, the wheels can be turned like this, which is nice. Cool. Perhaps we can just put it there. Alright, and then we got the inverter. This is the inverter. The quality, it's really nice. The material is plastic. The quality, the details, really nice. So it's cool. Can just put it there. And we've got this one is the battery booster. Alright, so we can, alright, seems like this is already fixed. No, actually this is can be moved, I guess. So yeah, it can be moved, but anyway, this is a nice model. This is also plastic, so I can put it there. And then this is what I like. This is what I like the most from the package. This is the tool set, Cargo Evolution. So this is already fixed, this cannot be moved, but the details, the paint, really nice and neat. So it's really cool for the toolkit. Maybe we can just put it in here so the mechanic can easily to get it, right? Okay, next one is the like the cabinet, but this is see-through, and then there's a hole, maybe just to put some data, and this is so maybe just put it like this one in case we need it. And then we also got the, oh sorry, this is like what, the small brush something, if you can see it. Sorry, it's kind of small brush with some teeth, right? And you just put it there so it's visible. And then next one, this is like what, welding, for welding something, maybe so. Yeah, this is like the metal oil pressure can or something, but it has some glass there, you can see. Yeah, pretty tiny. And the last one is the fender cover, so we can use it like this one. Sorry, so like this or this. Actually this is the for the fender, like this one. Yep, something like that. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining me for unpack this cool toolkit from the TSM, which is, this is a license from Beta Utensil SPA. Click like if you think this is a cool toolkit for your garage diorama, or click dislike if you are disappointed with the items number, with the quality, because some of it using the metal, some of it just using the plastic. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you in another video. Stay safe, keep healthy, enjoy Diecast. Bye bye.